In the event of a water damage emergency, call PuroClean of Cenla.
Hey, good morning, everyone. How you doing? Let's go ahead. Okay, we are good there. Good Wednesday morning, 66 degrees out there. Looking at the Toledo Bend camera right now, it is 66 out there. Some clouds. I had some really cool pictures. Everybody's sending me stuff because, I sit inside for the most part on days like this. And it was not outside to see it, but everybody was sending me pictures of the clouds, like a hard edge to the clouds. So let's go ahead and take a look at satellite, see if we can see what's going on here. I will put it in motion, and you can see here it's a visible picture, so it doesn't show up. And there you go. There's a little, you got it kind of on both sides. It's like we had a little gap in between there, but there was a really cool hard edge to the clouds. I didn't have time to upload a picture of that yet, but I'm sure a lot of you saw that. Looked kind of neat out there. So that's what we had going on this morning. We do have a front that's going to be pushing through the area. Let's go back to the show, the main show here. Let's see if we can see something on Alexandria. No, I think it's gone now. Yeah, just cloudy out there. So 75 is what we're showing at this camera at this point. So goodness, is that right? I should know this, shouldn't I? We're checking right now. Checking, making sure we're not old on that data. Well, it showed 70 there, 67. Yeah, I think something's weird there. So let's just not even look at that. But 67, 68 now at the last check here at 9:30. So professional and technical as usual around here. But it does look like at least road conditions are safe. That's the main point with the camera there. So this is your radar picture right now. Powerful system to the north. Severe thunderstorms up into western Illinois, northwestern Illinois, pushing up toward the winter storm warning in Wisconsin here. And we also have big snows on the backside, blizzard warnings going on with that. So if you are by chance traveling that way, yeah, you're going to have some issues. But right now down here, things looking good. I think we could see a sprinkle or two in the area, but that's going to be about it for today. So that's what we're looking at around the area right now. And if this will just move, then life will be good. Here's the temperatures brought to you by Smoothie King, 67 degrees. They brought you 67 this morning. Can you imagine the power that must take? 70 in Shreveport and Lake Charles. Oh, you know what? My wife dropped this off. We do promotional stuff, which I'm not promoting my business because we honestly we love you, but we've got a lot of business. So I promoting this one for now. It says Cenla weather on it. Let me go ahead and I told my wife it's bad luck to do this, so we'll see what happens. But we have these umbrellas. I don't know if I have the real estate. Yeah. Well, that doesn't help. You can't see that. It's a cool umbrella, and I don't even know what I'm doing with them at this point, but I was like, you know what? I need some giveaways and things like that. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing with the umbrellas. Everything's a well-oiled machine around here. We plan them out so well, but we have several dozen umbrellas now. They'll give away. I'll sell some on the website, I'm sure. We'll figure that out when we get there. Mid-60s to near 70 right now, and you won't need them today, so who even cares? 10 degrees warmer on your temperatures out there than we were yesterday. We are going to see that cold front come through, and it's going to really knock temps down. Check out the winds, though. Gusting, again like yesterday, 20 to 30 miles per hour, and then as that front actually pushes through into the evening, we're going to see them increase up into the 35 to 40 mile per hour range. Yeah, you had the little sprinkle, dust and pollen mixed together. Yeah, I'm kind of feeling that too. It's nasty out there, man. 42 mile per hour gusts overnight in Lafayette. Again, this is a model, but it gives you a good idea of how windy it's going to get. So it's going to be windy overnight. You're going to hear the wind chimes going. I say that because that's what happens to me. I'll hear those wind chimes chiming, and I'm like, wait, is it a storm? Nah, that's just behind the front. Wind advisories are in effect for today for the northern part of the area. I could see those expanding into the southern half of the region for the rest of us here overnight tonight as those winds increase behind the front. And I keep showing these fire alerts because it's kind of become a big story here up through Missouri into Oklahoma and Texas. Several wildfires ongoing. We saw this really increase over the weekend as that storm system was bringing like 60 mile per hour winds. And we didn't see a ton of rain in some of these spots. So the fire danger is going to be up, not quite here yet. So that's some good news. The bad news is the rain that we're going to get, it looks like it's going to come via some severe severe weather. So severe outlook for Sunday remains in place here. We have that chance for severe storms in the afternoon into the evening, and we are going to be watching that. There goes today's front. Strong system, but not bringing us any storms around here. And then it looks like those storms are going to come in. We're going to kind of see the moisture build in on Sunday afternoon, and then that front settles through Sunday night. I don't see this as an outbreak level kind of thing. Nothing too crazy, but we could see a few scattered severe storms in the area. So something to plan for, and I am planning on being in this chair Sunday afternoon into the night. 80 degrees, 4 p.m. day planner showing that we have some clouds out there for today. We will clear out this afternoon. That front comes through, kind of clears things out, and we get the winds to pick up. There's our new sponsor, Farm Bureau of Louisiana, that Farm Bureau Federation, a bunch of great people, and they do work with great people. So I love to support the farmers, and I love that they support me. So if they ever need anything, if you're a farmer and you ever need anything, send me a message. I will help you out. I know this is beyond, hey, is it going to rain on the picnic and stuff like that. So I'm here to help you. Half an inch to an inch of rain is what we're looking like pretty much statewide, I think, for this storm system over the weekend. That's going to be on Sunday. Saturday looks good. Crawfish boils. Man, you know, yesterday I'm driving down the road in Alexandria, and one of my favorite things about living here in Louisiana is this time of year, you roll down the windows and it smells like crawfish going down Jackson Street. You'll just hit those points where you got hotheads, and you've got, I forget the other, there's the one down the street further, and then you go down. It's just, you got crawfish place after crawfish place, and it smells so awesome. 65 degrees for Thursday. It's going to feel like, you know, it's not going to feel as crawfishy as today, but I'd still go ahead and eat some. 71 degrees on Friday, 36 the start. Could be some frost on the crawfish pot there in some spots. And then we warm up. So if we get past that 36 without seeing a freeze, I'm really thinking we're looking good. I know we get an Easter snap, but Easter's April 20th this year. So you're going to, if we get an Easter cold snap on April 20th, that's a late Easter. That would be a different one for me. But it is going to be pretty warm, it looks like, over the end of the month into the start of April. And it looks like we are going to be kind of in between big systems here. We have that system that's coming through on Sunday. Then we get several dry days. And then toward the end of this, maybe around April 7th or 8th, we get another system to run through. So we'll be watching it all. We'll let you know what's going on as we know it, and I'll be putting out an update on the Sunday threat for severe weather later on today. But do remember, it is going to be breezy today, windy tonight. Those winds really going to pick up as that front comes through. All right, I'm going to get out of here for today. Have a wonderful Wednesday, and I'll see you tomorrow.